Can Ethereum hit $3,000? Ooh, that's the question.
It's a good one.
Mr. Humphreys, do you think Ethereum can hit 3,000? Notice how I'm pausing for a dramatic effect.
Well, I mean, we're going to find out sooner rather than later here. I think we're all waiting on the Fed, right? I mean, that's kind of what's next on the docket, and that's right around the corner, February 1st. But listen, man, this January, this has surprised everybody, I think. We didn't see this coming.
Yeah, dude. I mean, come on. None of us saw this. I was like, oh, it's going to be a bloodbath. January.
A lot of us thought Q1 would be kind of the pullback that we didn't get in December. And I don't know, man. It's been a pleasant surprise. So here's the thing we do know. I mean, Bitcoin's went up 40% this month. So is Ethereum. I mean, so if that were to happen again, I mean, we're getting close to that number, right? I mean, it's possible.
Yeah, I mean, so let's take a look at like the 1 month, right? I mean, so we went from say back around the first, like we were in the 1,200-ish range. So yeah, I mean, we've, and that's the funny thing, man, is like, I think people don't look at that. Like you and I were talking yesterday about Shiba Inu. It was up 43% in January. And I'm like, holy hell, I didn't know that. I didn't. Yeah. Because I hadn't really looked at the aggregate, right? We look at the day to day, or we look at the 7-day or the 7-day on CMC, CoinMarketCap, and we don't look at that. And but yeah, I mean, Ethereum's crushing it, man, on a month to date. No one factored in 40% rise for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. I mean, no one saw this coming,
No, and it's kind of going through a little consolidation phase right now. Really, the whole market is. It's been, which is pretty good. That's kind of what you want to see. Last time we consolidated earlier this month, then we got the big spike up. So we're watching some key levels. Obviously, we're watching the Feds, and but yeah, man. Here's the thing: if Ethereum gets to 3,000, look out for altcoins like Shiba Inu. Look out for the ERC20 tokens, because what we find is those things run harder when Ethereum runs. The other tokens underneath it even run harder, and they fall harder too when we get a pullback.
Yeah, I think final thought here is, I mean, I think 2,000 is the next big, huge hurdle. If we can get back up over 2 for Ethereum, I think, again, all eyes are on the Fed, which will be February 1st when we get the announcement, what they're going to do, not do. And I think the market's not going to do anything until then. It's going to be flat, maybe up 1, down 2, up, whatever, that kind of variation. But there's just not a lot going to happen. Yeah, so let's end on that. Keep this short for you guys watching. If you're interested in learning more about Clear, links in the description below. Check them all out. Lots of good stuff. Major, huge announcement they announced the last 10 days or so. So check out all that. A lot of big stuff coming. We'll see you. Take care. Bye.